Good morning everyone. We are the students of Apple International School. My name is Bismanpreet Kaur
and my name is Doyle Gupta.
Today we are going to perform an activity. How to estimate the volume.
Hello Bisman.
Hello Doyle. What you have in your hand?
One pebble and one guava.
Did you know which is the heavier?
I do not know.
Come with me, let me tell you. Now I have two glass containers. Each glass container consists 300 ml of water. Now put guava in the first container and pebble in the second container. Have you noticed in the first container the water raised from the 300 ml to 390 ml, and in the second container the water raised from the 300 ml to 320 ml. It means the guava is the heavier than the pebble.
Oh, I got it. Thank you, Bisman.